HANMO's press brake, equipped with the imported Dutch DA53T system, is an exceptional machine designed for precise and efficient metal processing. The press brake features a specially designed rear axle that allows workers to observe key components, improve convenience, and quickly identify potential problems to ensure stable performance. The advanced servo motor reduces noise for a quieter workspace while enhancing energy efficiency and lowering operating costs, or while boosting production efficiency. This machine enhances productivity and delivers high-quality solutions, keeping businesses competitive. The HANMO press brake offers innovative technology and reliable performance.
HANMO. Make press easier.